one of the pros is that your system balances. It's and thinking about it, you know, you have the plant doing a metallurgical balance, and that's where they balance the metal and the tails coming out one end of the plant with the tungsten grade coming in the other. And I guess one of the reasons that rescaling has gained some popularity, perhaps on the mine side of things, is the desire to do a similar thing. In other words, we've got this recalculated metal, the metal plus the tails that's coming, and then we're making the mine prediction equal to that. So I can see that's probably a pro of it. The cons are that you're chasing a moving target, as you alluded to just then. And one of the things I remember from some of the work I did in the early noughties in South Africa, when they had all of these large Witwatersrand conglomerate, the classic, the very deep mines, and it was very common there across a lot of companies to take the mine core factor, in other words, the factor that we derive from the reconciliation, and then apply that back to the following year's reserve. So let's suppose that the mine was producing 98% of the gold that the reserve was claiming. So then what they would do is they would reduce the reserve for the next year by 2%. And I remember thinking at the time that was horrific, because, you know, they're forever chasing a moving target. And in certain cases, that factor got bigger and bigger and bigger after 1 year, from 1 year to the next. And so there was never any consistency or stability. So to my mind, it's much better to have that prediction. In reality, as I say, it's 3 or 4 predicted numbers, including the as mined, have the recalculator or the truth, if we want to call that, the actuals, and then work out why they're different. And you've mentioned some of the reasons, and there's many reasons why they might be different, and then work to making them consistent or similar. So to me, that's a big negative. In fact, this issue of chasing a moving target, which I think is never the right thing to do.